right, 21 millimeter. This is the back passenger side. Get a little bit of foot therapy, comes right off. All right, no screw, that's awesome. Now it's not so awesome. So the caliper bolts are 14 millimeter, and actually so are the caliper bracket bolts. So that's nice. Give it a couple. Good. Come on. There we go. Tuck that out of the way. Like I said, the top and the bottom, those are also 14 millimeters. Welded on there. There you go. That comes off. Now, rather than wail on it, the hammer just done. There you go. Clean up the work area. I am pretty much out of grinding or sanding down discs, so I'm gonna have to order some more. So in lieu of that, I'll just put synthetic grease right there. So this new rotor doesn't stick on. This is why your back brakes don't work. Got a perfectly good vise over there, just I don't feel like walking over there and using it. So, minus that hole that I just put into it, but that's all. for that one though. Now as usual, I'm going to take and clean up this hardware. It does come with new hardware, but the hardware is junk. They're not the same. So I got to reuse this. That means I got to clean them up. Anywhere it's going to seek metal to metal contact. Perfect. Get you in there real close. All right. Oh. Shit, having problems here. There we go. Tighten up the back 14mm, and as always, if I got the torque specs, it should be popping up on your screen anytime now. I'll try to film this part best I can for you guys, but you gotta screw down this piston. This one actually doesn't require to be pushed or anything, it's literally just a screw. You don't need the turn kit either. You just need the cube. I really don't know what this thing is called. I've always just called it the cube, but there's only 2 4-prong ones. You only need 1 out of the 4. Alright. This thing's pretty crusty. So this is gonna be fun. Usually when you get it moving though, if you got a 3-inch extension, that'll help you out too. I should have grabbed it so you're not so far away, because you got to push in while you're doing this so you don't slip out. Alright, that's how you do it. Slide it on. And that's it. Yeah, you just put the 2 14mm bolts up top, get the tire back on. I'm going to bleed the brakes. This one did need a caliper replacement, so just better safe than sorry. I'm going to go ahead and just bleed every one of them. I don't like the brake bleeders, the vacuum bleeders. I like the old-fashioned way, you know. Undo it. It's a 10mm. Put the foot to the floor, close it, old-fashioned way. So anyways, hope you like this video. It's a very simple one. I'm not gonna drag this one out. Hope that helped.